Things that quietly disappeared in American schools. Today's kids will never experience. There's no book anymore with so many names written in it. Kids today probably have never heard the sound of paper being cut. Those old TV carts are obsolete now, and no kid is going to cheer for one anymore. Back then, everyone looked forward to Book Fair Day, some even too excited to sleep the night before. Holographic notebooks were all the rage at school. Do kids still play Heads Up, 7-Up? I used to choose my secret crush when I played. The Boston pencil sharpener was top tier back then, only the teacher's desk had one. We used to sneak over to the desk and try to peek at the report cards. During lunch, we'd all pull out those plastic-smelling lunchboxes with our favorite characters on them. This was the game we played in computer class, and now no one even remembers it. We didn't have cell phones, so if we wanted to contact our families, we had to wait in line at the payphone. If you remember these things, tell me how old you are.